In today's video, I'm going to teach you about InVideo and Sora and help you figure out which AI video generator is better for your needs. A full comparison that will set you on the right path for your creative projects. Both InVideo and Sora are powerful tools that can create impressive videos from text or media, but each serves a distinct audience and purpose. Let's take a closer look at what makes each of these platforms unique and valuable. First, let's explore InVideo. It's a robust AI video platform particularly popular with marketers, creators, and educators. InVideo works by transforming scripts or prompts into fully edited videos using a library of stock footage, templates, voiceovers, and avatars. One of its standout features is its high level of customization. You can edit scenes, swap visuals, change pacing, and even add subtitles to craft the perfect video. It's equipped with a large stock media library and a variety of voiceover options across multiple languages and accents, making it a versatile choice for content creators aiming for broader audience reach. InVideo is especially well suited for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and other social media formats, including vertical, square, and landscape videos. It supports longer video production, allowing you to create clips up to 10 minutes in length. Plus, its drag and drop interface is designed to be very beginner friendly, which means you can start making compelling videos even if you're new to video editing. However, InVideo isn't without its drawbacks. Compared to Sora, the AI-driven motion isn't as realistic, and if you're aiming for complex storytelling or character consistency, it may require more manual editing effort. Now shifting our focus to Sora, OpenAI's advanced text-to-video generator, Sora specializes in creating short, realistic clips directly from your prompts or images. Its strengths lie in producing exceptional realism in motion, lighting, and detail, which lend a cinematic quality to your clips. These features are ideal for short, artistic shots of up to 20 seconds. Sora's workflow is incredibly straightforward and intuitive, relying on prompts to guide the creation process. The AI handles much of the complexity of physics, movement, and transitions for you, making it an excellent tool for creators who prefer minimal editing. That said, Sora comes with certain limitations. The duration of videos you can create is restricted, and there are fewer customization options compared to InVideo. Additionally, creating longer or HD videos might become a costly affair, and Sora is not as tailored towards intensive branding or marketing workflows. So, which one should you choose? Opt for InVideo if you need to produce marketing videos, explainer content, or flexible social media clips that require voiceovers and templates. On the other hand, Sora is perfect if you desire short, cinematic, and realistic scenes crafted directly from prompts, allowing creative storytelling with minimal editing. Choosing the right tool depends on the specific needs of your project and desired production style, making both platforms invaluable for different creative endeavors.